Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between lush forests and shimmering streams, there lived a little girl named Emma. Emma was known for her vivid imagination and gentle heart. Her room was filled with all kinds of storybooks, but her favorite tales were those of faraway lands and enchanted creatures. One tranquil night, as the stars began to twinkle like diamonds in the vast sky, Emma found herself restless and unable to sleep. She sat up in bed, hugging her knees, and gazed out of the window, searching for a shooting star to wish upon. That's when she heard it, a soft, melodious voice that seemed to float in on the cool night breeze. Turning her head, she saw a beautiful parrot perched on the windowsill, its feathers a magnificent kaleidoscope of colors that glistened in the moonlight. The parrot blinked its friendly eyes at Emma and said in a soothing tone, "Hello, Emma. My name is Periwinkle, and I bring tales from the whispering winds. Will you accompany me on an adventure?" Emma's eyes sparkled with excitement. "Oh yes, Periwinkle. I would love to," she whispered eagerly. "Very well," said Periwinkle with a gentle nod. "But first you must close your eyes and breathe deep into the world of your imagination." Doing as the parrot instructed, Emma took a deep breath, inhaling the serene night's air, and slowly closed her eyes. All at once, she felt herself being lifted gently into the air, the soft feathers of Periwinkle cushioning her. Through the whispering winds they sailed across the sky, over the treetops rustling in the gentle breeze. The stars seemed to hum lullabies just for them as they ventured further into the dreamy night. Periwinkle began to speak in hushed tones, weaving tales of distant galaxies where planets were made of candy and stars would giggle and play hide and seek with moons. It was a world where peace reigned supreme, and kindness was the language spoken by all beings. Throughout their journey, Emma encountered fantastical creatures, the giggling stars, the wise old moon who recited the most beautiful poems, and the candy planet guardians who crafted sugar-spun bridges from one world to another. She danced with the stars and listened to their silvery laughter, her heart full of joy and wonder. Each story Periwinkle told was more mystical than the last, casting a peaceful spell over Emma's imagination. Soon, without even realizing it, her eyelids grew heavy and a sense of calm tranquility enveloped her. "Time to rest, little one," whispered Periwinkle. "The dreamlands await to cradle you in their serene embrace." As Emma surrendered to the whispers of sleep, she found herself back in her cozy bed, the room bathed in the soft glow of the moonlight. The last thing she remembered before drifting off was the comforting presence of Periwinkle, the parrot who had shared the wonders of the night with her. And so, under the watchful eye of the moon, with a heart full of adventures yet to come, Emma slept, a serene smile gracing her lips. The village continued to slumber peacefully, with Periwinkle guarding the dreams of its most imaginative child until the first light of dawn. And every now and then, when the night was clear and the air was still, Emma would listen closely for the enchanting tales carried by the parrot's whispers of dreams.